Hello and welcome, my name is Vakile. In this tutorial I'm going to show you a lick over a backing track, and I'm not going to talk about the backing track, I'm going to talk about the lick. And we're going to play this lick on octaves, and then we see what happens. Okay, so that is the lick there. I'm playing around this chord here, which is this is the chord of A major. This is A major, the key of A major, and I'm in A major here, and you can see that's the C shape of the A major, but I'm just fretting like that. And I'm playing the 1-4-1-5 there, mixing with a few notes to create a rhythm. Now the first port of call as far as my lick is concerned is I go on the A, I take an octave from there, and I play my lick first from there. So I play that triad there, then I go to the fourth. So I'm basically playing all the 5 notes here. That's the major scale there. Okay, so I'm playing these 5 notes. So I'm going. So 1, 3, 5, 4, 2. So it's 1, 3, 5, 4, 2. Now the second one, I'm going 1, 3, 5, then 5 octave of 5 here, which is up here, then 7 and 2. Okay, so the fifth is here and the octave is there. So I go. Okay, so it's a complete, it's all the notes of the major scale actually, except probably the 6th that I didn't play there. But I played practically all the notes of the major scale. Then I go back to the down to the octave, which is this one here, on the bass, on the chord, bass chord there. So it's a slide. Slide. That's root fifth. It's a slide there. So it's root seventh. So from seventh I go to fifth. You go to there, and that one is accenting the fourth actually, because the fourth is here. The root is there, and the fourth is there. Okay, so you might find the fourth there is you're talking about your A, and that's your D there. Okay, so your D. So now you need to roll the pick a little bit. So you start from the fifth. Okay, now I go back to this one. You can do a variation here. It doesn't matter. I did a variation in the but the basic notes that I'm playing are those ones. That's a variation there. So, and then I went to this octave here, which is, it's an octave from there, A and A. Okay. So it's root seventh, fifth, and I slide to the sixth. So sorry, I slide to the fourth. So that's the idea of the root seventh, fifth, fourth. Root seventh, fifth, fourth. Then I go to this one here. Now if you look at that, that's the sixth. That's why I kind of turn around. Now the second one, I hit the third there. So that's the first one is goes to the fourth. The second one to the third. Okay. So that's as far as this one is concerned. You can do some variations there. You can roll it here, or you can also roll it here on the fifth. Okay, that's it. And then I went to this is an octave from this shape, chord shape here. It's the final chord shape there. So I'm playing these notes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm playing some, parts of this chord, which is like that. Then I go back to this one here. I take an octave. Then I play the same lick. The same note arrangement anyway, and but at an octave. Now, so playing like this is what you want to achieve. You don't want to just play on one position. That lick on one position ends up boring. So you want to play it here, and you play it there, and you play something there, you play it there, or you can even play it there where I've just played. It's the same as that. You can even take other octaves down here. It's the same as that. The other octave that you might take, that's the other octave, but you've already played it here. Okay, so you have played almost all the octaves in that on the fretboard. So this is the lick. My name is Vukile. Thank you very much for watching. Please practice it.